Alright guys, Josh Tech here back again with another video. We're doing something a little different. We're kind of doing like a vlog, kind of like move the camera around. I feel like the camera is kind of crooked. Let me know if it is. I'm sorry, I'm looking at that. I shouldn't be looking at that. I should be looking at you guys. So I got the microphone on top, so if it sounds kind of weird, that's because, yeah, I don't have the microphone like literally right here in front of me. So anyways, so right now, I figured I'd do a little vlog, maybe a little, show you the Alex drawers. So real quick, I looked online again. The tabletop is still out of order. It's supposed to be ordered this week or back in stock from Ikea. So I don't know when I'm gonna get it, honestly. Because I don't want to go on a weekday and get it because I work and then I come home and I'm not gonna do all that on. I'd rather do it on a weekend. Hopefully we get the desk and I could do a video and everything on it. So yeah. So so I got the Alex drawers right here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. Yeah. So I got the Alex drawers right here. It's kind of dark, so let me turn on some light here. They're looking really nice and everything. So yeah, I'm kind of doing like a little vlog thing. So let's turn on the cube. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. It is really cool to have all these drawers. Everything is just easy access and stuff. Now I did buy some liners for them, and I bought more because I ran out. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, yeah. So you guys could kind of get an idea. Now, real quick, before I get more depth, you see all the freaking wires. That's because I had to pull them out to get all this stuff out. I had actually a 15-year-old entertainment stand here, so I got rid of it, put these here for the moment. So the wires will be tucked in and everything's gonna look good. So let's, so yeah, don't worry about the wires, guys. Just kind of don't worry about that right now. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be doing the Alex drawers on both sides, and then I'm gonna add like a little piece of wood to kind of make it float and give it that hover. Now real quick guys, I have space, but I have one side of the wall because I'm actually in an apartment building, so I don't really have my own studio and office, so it's kind of a bummer, but I'm working on that. Me and my lady, we're trying to actually work on that and get like a condo or something. So yeah, so over here is the dining room table. So my office is kind of in the living room. And that's why when I do videos, sometimes I talk kind of quiet because, you know, Mrs. Tag Gamer sleeping. But I figured today we'll put in these liners. I got the darker ones. Damn it. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I wanted to go light because if you guys can kind of see inside the drawers, I could still see my stuff. But this is not super dark. So yeah, I'm just gonna live with it. It's not the end of the world, honestly. So I thought I got the dark ones, but then I get home and find all the white ones. So yeah, so we need to actually do one drawer. We need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to do actual 6 drawers. So what I'm gonna do is actually put the gray one, light gray one in there and the dark over there. So we'll just do that. And yeah, we'll just definitely call it. So as you guys can kind of see, I have all my freaking, I'm not used to this camera. As you guys can see, I have all my mouse pads. Yes, real quick, you guys are gonna see that. Yes, I do have a landline because I don't get service in my apartment. So yeah, I do have emergency backup line. Just want to let you guys know, because I know you guys are going to see that and say, Josh, what the hell? Josh, it's 2020. So we're going to take everything out and stuff. Oh, and by the way, I have an issue with my program. I even tried it on Adobe Premiere Pro. I cannot time lapse past 2 minutes. Like, I can't go all the way and do a fast time lapse. I don't know why. It just stumbles. It just stumbles. It doesn't want to work. And I even tried Adobe Premiere Pro, and it still don't want to work. So I swear I thought I got the lighter one. Don't you hate that when you do something and you just like, it is freaking hot, dude. It's so hot because I got some lights on over there and everything, you know. So yeah, so we're gonna get some scissors. We're gonna cut this. I mean, the dark gray would be okay, but I kind of wanted the light gray. As you guys kind of see, I have the here, and then I got so much space. I mean, I got my cables here, and oh yeah, I got this. Oh, she's looking beauty right there. I might put that back and do the space cable. Put back the space cable and use that one again. We're gonna stick it in here. So we're gonna have to cut a little bit off. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut some off. Oh yeah. So we'll probably have to cut about right there. It's like freaking hot. It's really hot in Cali right now. Alright, that looks beautiful. Look at that, guys. So, yeah, it's a little off in the corner, but you know what? Who cares? Doesn't have to be perfect. Put the we'll put my stuff back in here. I wanted lighter gray, so when I put things in here, I can kind of see the contrast of things. I think that's why they don't do black, because at first when I put these together, I'm like, why are these all white and black? But if you have all black inside, you can't really see stuff. But honestly, I like these because they have the little dots, and you could kind of cut the dots out. Sorry if the camera's not focusing. Let's cut a little bit on the sides. Well, honestly, it's perfect. So we're gonna put these back in here. Like I said, I got so much space, and I like the Alex ones because they go all the way back. So they give you a lot of space. Actually, the dark gray looks good, but I got the light gray, so it is what it is. See, so we got dark gray and light gray, as you guys can kind of see. I thought I got dark gray, but that's okay. So what drawer is going to be on the other side, so it doesn't even matter. So, so let's make another one. All right, it's looking good. Oh my God, I hope I have enough. This is my printing paper, so I'll just put it in here for now. Oh my God, we still got 2 more to go. Take all my stuff out. So these are the RGB lights that I bought. If you guys can kind of see, these are by Govee. These are really good RGB strips. So I bought all the stuff for my new desk. All right, so we got that one, and now we're gonna do the last one, and I think we have enough just. So pretty much we got them all together now. We're all good to go. We got all the drawers, like one tabletop. So let's move the camera back a little bit so you guys can get it. So yeah, oh man, it's so hot. So yeah, I don't know how these vloggers do this stuff, but I got the AC bumped all the way down because it gets super hot. So let me, it's going to be completed. Just wanted to do the little liners. So I think it came out pretty good. If you guys want to see more, here you go. So it's going to kind of look like that. And then I got, you know, that gray. So when I do the video, the desk setup, I will mention someone who helped me put the Alex drawers together. This YouTube girl, she kind of shows you step by step, and dude, she totally saved me, because the instructions, I hate putting stuff together. Honestly, I hate it. So hopefully we'll get the desk this week or next week. If not, I might have to have it delivered. So I don't know, because it might not fit in the car. So yeah, I just need one thing left, and that's it. I'm done. So thanks guys for watching Josh Tech Gamer. I hope you guys liked this little vlog. If you guys like these little vlogs, these little DIY things, and me filming stuff and showing me do things, I could do that if you guys want me to. Alright guys, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.